How to download music from Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can download music from Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to download music on Spotify, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch a Spotify app. And make sure that you're signed into your account, and of course you want to simply head over to any playlist that you want to download. Let's say that this is a specific playlist that I would like to download. In that case, what I have to do is I have to tap the little download option that you can find here. Then all you have to do is just tap on the little download button here. Then the only problem with this type of method is that Spotify actually requires you to have a premium subscription in order for you to be able to download songs. So unless you have the premium version, you will not be able to download music on the platform, and you will not be able to listen to it offline. You simply have to make use with the online version and the many features restrictions. Now, just in case you don't know how to get to premium, I've already made a dedicated video on that in our channel. You can go to our channel link and just search for it, or I'll make sure to link a couple of videos down in the description box if you think that's convenient for you. I won't cover them in this because this video is quite longer if I do so. But if you have premium subscription, you'll be able to tap the download option. All the songs will be seamlessly and very quickly downloaded, and you can come to your library and the download section in order to be able to find your downloaded music. This way you can download music on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.